This is Japan. A monk rings a bell. We are racing toward tomorrow, while refusing to leave yesterday behind. "200 years ago, this country sealed its doors to the world. 1639, the age of isolation. Then, in a single generation, it opened everything and refused to lose itself. "80,000 shrines. Businesses 1,000 years old that never sold out. Hiroshi, 50 years forging swords exactly as his grandfather did. Modern steel is stronger on paper, but paper has never held an edge for 4 centuries. Off the map, a forge with no sign, a shrine where the only visitor is the wind. And as Japan ages, robots are learning tradition. The fire hasn't gone out, it just found new hands to hold it. So why does Japan feel like the future, while never letting go of its past?